Many of y'all remember me as the ManWeave Unit on Instagram. I still have that page, and I have ManWeaveUnit.com. On YouTube, I have ManWeave Unit, and I get a lot of questions. I've had several videos that go viral all over the internet on Facebook and Instagram. Some of y'all saw me with my hair flapping back. Many of y'all know me from having the Superfly hairdo, where I go in the water and I come up and I go swimming in that unit. And I get asked the question all the time, what type of adhesive was I using? Well, it was a medical grade glue, and it's the strongest glue on the market. And I don't know if y'all can actually see it because of the light, but it's called Max Bond. Now you can probably see it. The camera's focusing on it, but it's Max Bond. And this adhesive right here is a medical grade compound. I know a lot of y'all go on Amazon and in a lot of these little beauty supply stores, a lot of that glue adhesive, I tried all of them when I was wearing ManWeave units, and it's not 100% pure. I can tell you that. My units will come off. I've tested everything, and the Max Bond is the strongest glue. Where can you get this adhesive? You can go to ManWeaveUnit.com and purchase this. We do have several resellers. If you're a barber out there and you want to become a reseller and get it at wholesale prices, you can contact us at ManWeaveUnit@gmail.com. And a lot of you all ask, well, how do I take the unit off when it's time to take it off? The easy adhesive right here. You can get this at ManWeaveUnit.com. Also on MillionaireBarber.com, we take this. A chemist put all of this together. I like it because I tried everything out there on the market, and I'm a product of the product. So I've been licensed since 1990, and I had a school for 19 years, and then I started wearing the ManWeave units. And one thing about wearing those ManWeave units, at first, my head would be itching, and I would work out a lot because I work out every day, and that unit would start smelling. It would start smelling sour, and I was very insecure, felt bad, didn't want to go around people because I knew if I could smell that unit, other people could. And it would itch, and I'd be sweating a lot, and it would be smelling. So we tested a lot of stuff. I got with a chemist. I even went and got a unit where I paid $4,500. I'm not gonna call the chain place out. It's a corporate place. But one thing that I can say, they had some adhesive and they used some products that was out of sight. And when I got those products, I did take them to a chemist and I asked him if he could make something better. This itch, sweat, and smell-free spray, every consumer, if you're going to get in a barber's chair and he's going to do a unit, make sure when he cuts the top of your head out and cleans it, that he sprays this stuff in there at least once or twice and lets it sit. Because what it's going to do, it's going to be a protectant. Your unit is going to last longer. It's not going to be smelling like it would, and you're not going to be sweating like you would. So it's 3 products. Number 1, the Max Bond adhesive is going to last a long time. That unit is going to stay on there. And the easy adhesive is going to remove the unit. Once you start spraying it on the front, you can start lifting it, and then you can take a wooden popsicle stick and kind of scrape it. And the no more itch, sweat, and smell free. That's what you want, the itch, sweat, and smell. Excellent for men exercising, oily skin, hot, and humid. So those are the 3 products that I wanted to tell y'all about. I get DMs. People call the 1-800 number. They text message. They go on Instagram, Facebook, and they're always asking those questions. So barbers, consumers, I'm giving you the information, and go to ManWeaveUnit.com or MillionaireBarber.com and get your Max Bond, your Easy Adhesive, the remover, or the itch, sweat, and smell free. So if y'all have any questions, just make sure that you contact me. And what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna share actually my page so y'all can actually know where to purchase this at. So you're on your phone, type in ManWeaveUnit.com, and I'm sharing this screen. And all you do is just scroll down. This was when I actually went swimming, and y'all can actually see this.
I've seen a black man swim with a unit. I ain't seen a black woman swim with a unit. I've never seen one go up under the water.
This is what I use.
What's on
the
your
Max
head?
Bond.
The Superfly look.
The unit's not gonna come off. You talking about the strongest adhesive?
Miracle Barbie MD. You gonna get out here? And she's the one that did my hair.
And that adhesive, it's not cheap. You can go on Amazon, buy you some cheap stuff. See this? Watch.
I can't see. Hey, y'all.
You've heard about it, you've seen it. The ManWeave Unit. It's #1 in men's non-surgical hair replacement. And now we offer the opportunity to discover how to easily start and grow your non-surgical hair business to 6 figures, even if you're starting from nothing.
See how she's combing it? Look at it. Just look at it. I mean, look how natural it looks. Look like a baby a woman just gave birth to a big old baby. This hair. Look like I just came out of a woman's womb. So
register today for the ManWeave Unit online course and learn how to make 1K in one.
So this is the actual adhesive that was put on, the Max Bond. First, when they cut the top of my scalp, the hair out, Miracle Barbie MD, we put the itch, sweat, and smell free solution on it.
now what am I gonna do? I gotta go to church tonight. Yeah, it's wet, but guess what? I'm gonna get it done. I'm gonna get it styled and profiled again. Huh? Y'all got me looking like P. Diddy's buddy, Farnsworth Bentley. Cover up the left eye look. Look, Pablo Escobar, Alexandra Sosa. Okay? Well, the unit held up. So it passed the test. Y'all ain't seen nobody else on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube test their units out because their unit gonna come right off. And look at the texture.
Okay, so now you see that, and you can just scroll on down. You can purchase the Max Bond. You can purchase the Easy Adhesive Remover, and you can purchase the Itch, Sweat, and Smell Free. Now, the Itch, Sweat, and Smell solution, once you cut the top of the head out and you clean it real good, you're going to spray that on there and let it sit and dry. And then you're going to put a few coats of the Max Bond adhesive on there, okay? So I wanted to share that with you all and just give you all that information. A lot of barbers, people out there don't want to share information. I've tried all of the supplies, all of the products out there, and I am a product of a product. So if you want something that's going to last, you're going to have good products, just like you got to have good tools. So these products will really help you. So barbers, consumers, go to ManWeaveUnit.com and it will be shipped out the next day to you. If you have any questions, hit me up on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. A lot of y'all asked about me growing my hair back. Yes, this was completely bald. I've been using that Reveal, that stem cell hair-based product. I know y'all not interested in that. You want to wear units, but if you are, just DM me, contact me at ManWeaveUnit or Millionaire Barber. Thank you all.